Using ZONER AI, you can create a YouTube thumbnails like this. Let's see how we can do that. We have videos on how to use ZONER AI, but in this video, we're going to look at how we can use ZONER AI to create YouTube thumbnails. Let's get started. So here in ZONER AI, you click AI Image Creator, and it's totally 100% free to use. Now in here, make sure to select the white, and then you can select either 4K or Full HD, and select 1920 by 1080. Now type in your text. Okay, so here's the prompt. A Pacific Islander standing at the side pointing to a text that reads, "How to create YouTube thumbnails in ZONER AI." So let's generate this to see what it can give us. So let's click on generate. So here is the first one. That's not what we want. Or maybe this one. How to create YouTube thumbnails in ZONER AI. Now this is what I want to use, but then I don't want the long hair, so I need to regenerate this again. So I'm gonna say a Pacific Islander standing at the side pointing to the text Pacific Islander here, and then just add in he has short hair standing at the side pointing to a text that reads, "How to create YouTube thumbnails in ZONER AI." Okay, so this is what we want, but we can download this for now. But you can see it is AI, so the spellings are not correct, so we're going to correct that later. But now let's generate again, and I think this is much better. How to create YouTube thumbnails in ZONER AI. So you can see how to create YouTube. It's already there, but this is the one that we're going to change. So come up here and click edit. Now when we bring the edit in here, now let's come to AI tools here, and the AI tools, let's look for remove object. So with this text, if you want to leave the ones that is okay with you, like this one, how to create a YouTube thumbnail, and I like the logo here, but you see this one is not exactly what I want. So what I'll do is to remove this only. Come here and activate mask correction, and you can use this tool here. Select the ones that you want to remove instead of removing all the text. Now once you select that, you can click remove. Okay, you see you have to check which one you want. So you can see it does give you 3 options here. Okay, so this one, it removes the logo, which we want the logo. This one, it leaves the logo there, as well as this one here. And you can see the background does change too, so I think this is much better. So how to create YouTube thumbnails, so that's what we're gonna use, this one. So let's select this one by click on this one here, and then you can click apply. Now once we apply, now come to the text, and this is the text that we're gonna put in. So here we're gonna type in thumbnails, and then change the size a little bit down, and the font, we're gonna change the font to a different font, and bring this one, align it like this. How to create YouTube thumbnails in ZONER AI. So that's the last one. So let's apply this text, and now create a new text, and then in here in ZONER AI, and remove the outlines. We want the shadow, no background, and we can align that nicely here. I think we can get the size a little bit up, and that's it. And that's all you need to do, and click apply, and come up here and save it. So it gives you 3 options, JPEG, PNG, and WebP here. So just click on one of these to download. And there you go. That's how simple is that, creating a YouTube thumbnail.